and we have two speakers for this. Manish Rich. Manish is the co-founder of Quasar Media, an integrated online interactive agency. Prior to starting Quasar, he worked with India's largest portal, Rediff.com, for over 5 years. He's been recognized as one of the prominent online marketing professionals in the country. In the last 2 years, he also co-founded Tailu.com, India's second largest fully self-service ad network. Zoomtra.com, a travel meta search and incubating entrepreneurs with ideas on digital business under the group name of Smile Interactive Technology Group, which also is one of the sponsors for us for this event. Along with that, we also have Vivek Bhargav. Vivek has spent 10 plus years in the interactive marketing industry. He's the founder of Communicate2, which started as a full-service interactive agency and has evolved into search specialist agency. During these 10 plus years, Vivek has built expertise in meeting the interactive marketing needs of MNCs such as MTV, Pfizer, Merrill Lynch, and large agencies in US and Europe. Vivek has traveled to more than 40 countries, mostly in the developing nations, has lived in Dubai for 2 years. He believes that contextual advertising is the future of advertising, and it will require a balance of technology and a large team of people. He is focused in building Communicate2 into 1,000 people search from the current strength of 100 people. Vivek is also the chair of Sempo India and is focused on spreading the awareness of such marketing in the emerging markets. Vivek has played table tennis for the state, keenly interested in chess, and an amateur paragliding pilot. So before I turn it over to Vivek and Manish, let me spend a couple of minutes talking about Sempo. How many of people here are aware of what Sempo is? Okay, very few. Vivek, you know what? Instead of me talking about Sempo, I think we'll do really good justice to it if you can spend a couple of minutes on that. Perfect. So with that, let me turn it over to Vivek.
Hi guys, I know it's been a lot of gyan the whole day. There's only so much gyan one can take about online marketing in a day. So I think we've already crossed that threshold. So we'll try to be brief. We were just discussing among ourselves that we have these 25, 30 PowerPoint slides, which we're planning to skip most of them. We'll make it a very interactive session. And whatever questions you have about what are sessions that have happened so far, where every time the session would get over, you would have questions and say, we don't have any time. So now the thing is, we're going to keep the session very low, and we're going to have all the time only for the question and answers. I think that is the best way to move forward. So let me tell you quickly about Sempo. Sempo is known as Search Engine Marketing Professional Organization. It's based out of US. Now it has about 40 odd countries in it. Sempo is actually, the purpose of Sempo is to increase the awareness of search marketing, SEO, PPC across the globe. And we're having a tour, which is called the Sempo Asia Tour, on the 15th of June in Mumbai. So the chairman of Sempo and two other board members are coming down to Mumbai. So one of them is Bill Hunt. Bill Hunt is the enterprise SEO guy in the world. He did the IBM website. He's known as one of the best SEO guys in the world. He's coming down for a workshop and then a panel session. We have Motoko Hunt, who's basically into PPC, but from a global level, different language PPC. Then we have Jeffrey Pruitt, who is one of the co-founders of iCrossing. He's going to talk about paid search and how do you run large multi-million-dollar campaigns across the globe. So we're going to have a very interesting session on the 15th of June. We'll be distributing the leaflets of Sempo, why one should become a member of Sempo. And anybody who's interested in this workshop or this session in the evening, we'd love to welcome your feedback, and if you'd like to join us in Bombay, I know it's a little far away from here, but it'd be great to have you guys here. So basically, we are here to talk about analytics and conversions. Now, I think let's just start with very basic, a few slides. So first was the Sempo Asia Tour, which I've already told you about, 15th of June in Mumbai. I'll just cover a little bit of 2 or 3 slides on analytics, and then we can make it a question answer session. I think analytics, according to me, is the backbone of internet and internet advertising. So I would say that one thing that differentiates internet advertising from most of the other mediums is its ability to measure things. Now analytics is something which is a spinal cord, because then what happens is, based on that measurement, one can actually take decisions. Unlike most mediums, what happens is that if you run a TV campaign, the TV campaign gets over, and then you do some lipstick study and measurement. But based on that, you can only plan your next campaign. By that time, a lot of factors have already changed. months have changed, the product is now no longer new. But here what happens is, in internet advertising, you can make changes while the campaign is on. And the only way to do so is through measurement. So analytics is something which is so critical for an internet marketing function that without that you cannot run a successful campaign. So Communicate2 has built a lot of skill sets in analytics, and we have a lot of case studies of how we've used them in different ways in actually getting ROI to the clients. Manish, how would you like to do it? Should I just take a slide and then probably you add a few bits to it? Yeah. If you'd like to add, what are your thoughts why analytics is going to become very big? What are your thoughts on this?
All I know is that we've been searching for an analytics person for a long time. We've not got one, so it's a great opportunity for one to learn and take on board at this point in time. What Vivek said is almost what I wanted to repeat, but in a different fashion, is that the internet is a measurable medium, and therefore any kind of measurement is basically analytics. So I put it very, very simply to my clients and everyone at office is that traditionally if everyone does business and there's a shop, so it really talks about that how many people come into your shop, go into your counter, do purchases, doesn't do purchases, come back. So it's the basic of running any business. It's just that internet gives you as much as that data you want to kind of optimize as your business. So it's simply put, what a retailer or what a lala sitting in a shop does to his customers who comes in is what you can do on your website for your campaigns, and this is the highest amount of measurable medium available to us across geographies.